In this video, we'll introduce you to several exclusive MODICIA O.S. applications that make system management effortless, just one click away and visually consistent throughout. The total menu launcher, which you already know well, will be shown in action while we demonstrate how to use AppImage Menu Integrator, Kernel Manager, Theme Switcher, and Nvidia Driver Installer. AppImage Menu Integrator is a graphical application that manages app images, integrates them into the system and application menu, and handles their removal and cleanup. Kernel Manager is a utility that allows you to block kernel updates, both default and real-time, according to your preferences. You can choose to automatically update only selected kernels or block all updates entirely, designed for a secure and reliable workstation environment. Theme Switcher allows you to apply your preferred theme to all GTK and QT applications in the system with a single click, including those that do not respond to Cinnamon Control Center settings, ensuring a unified desktop and application appearance in harmony with the distribution's visual design. Nvidia Driver Installer is a graphical application that automatically detects your graphics card, lists the available drivers, and installs them for you. No need to be a terminal ninja to get top performance from your GPU.